Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to install fonts into Photoshop in case you're not, or maybe you're just starting with Photoshop and you don't really know how to install fonts that you want to use in your design project. I'm going to show you step by step. So here I've downloaded 4 fonts, so we're just going to use one to show how it works. So when you download the font, it usually comes in a zip file like this. So what you want to do is you want to double click it and it's going to open up. Alright, close. So now it's open. You can take a look at this Aldo the Apache. So that's the name of the font. So what you want to do is you want to press Ctrl C to copy it, or you can right click it and press copy files to clipboard. So we've copied it, and then we'll go to our file explorer. We're going to go to local disk, go to Windows, and then go to fonts. So this is where all the fonts in your laptop are located. So you want to right click and then you press paste, and you can see installing Aldo the Apache, and as simple as that, it has installed. So let's check if we find it in Photoshop. So let's go into Photoshop and let's just create a random new file. Create, just click on your text tool. Right, and then let's check it. Aldo the Apache. Aldo the. Okay, there we have it. You can see the font is right here. So if we type anything, it's going to be in that font. Let's change it to black so we can see it. Let's increase the size. Alright, so that is how you install a font into Photoshop. Thank you for watching.